Hey everyone, it's me Joffrey, and welcome back to my tech reviews.
And this is the new Huawei Y7A performance and game test. But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews.
Double cup, big Campari, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui.
Before we go to the game test, let's talk first about the specification of this new Huawei Y7A. This phone is equipped with their own chipset, which is the high silicon Kirin 710A 14nm with a clock speed of octa-core 2.0 GHz, combined with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. It has 4GB of RAM and 128 internal storage, and a massive battery of 5000 capacity that support fast charging of 22.5 watts. So without further ado, let's do the game test.
Team match, let's go.
The blue team has scored for the first time!
Reloading.
Killing spree for the blue team!
Cover me. Cover me.
The blue team is in the lead. Killing spree for the blue team! The blue team is unstoppable! The blue team is unstoppable!
Reloading.
The blue team is unstoppable!
Cover me.
The blue team is unstoppable! Killing spree for the blue team!
Great. You're about to win.
The blue team is heading to a perfect win!
Blue team victory.
So guys, this is my game test of this new Huawei Y7A. What is your opinion guys? Just comment down below. And if you like the video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. As always, we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.